Ray, the coolest loser, Cypher.
Yo, check it. I am the lyrical. You can check the phone. You can step up to the kid and get slammed up. Even though I don't play basketball, I stand tall. You better move the way I push you down the hall. But I'll be rolling, get your eyes rolling. It doesn't matter, got the 30-30 and I got the scope open. Be ready to plow. Yo, how you like me now? It really doesn't matter, be heard, it's just like out. Yo, literally you can never get your best, you let it go. If you wanna get it with the kid, meet me and we can float. I go on and on for like a mile a minute. Yo, I be picking up the mic, I'm ready to win him. Yo, what's my name? They call me the Oracle. For nothing rhetorical, told you one time, I'm so over y'all. If you ever wanna try to recollect, let them move it away because I'm already ready to bust that. Yo, hit you with the 1 or 2 to do what to do, but I'm moving away when a brother be coming up. Yes, I am, simply a fool. Told you one time, cruise, never lose. If you wanna get it with the kid, better back up cause I don't even drink the booze. But I'm telling you right now, ready to get it. It doesn't matter when I pick up the microphone, son, I'm with it. So you can come and get it if I give it to you. But I'ma tell you, better watch yourself because I'm really gonna give it to you. Better be glad I can't curse.